click it.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Matt Dalgado back again in the kitchen, cooking up a storm for all you fellow viewers. Today, making some pasta. We're gonna do some spicy Italian sausage pasta with some spinach, grape tomatoes, garlic, and some good old pale dry select wine reduction. So sit back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and let's get started. So first, we're gonna be working with the sausage. Today, I chose hot Italian sausage. You can pick whatever sausage you like. Just keep in mind, this is gonna be the base flavor of your pasta sauce. I like spicy, but if you like mild, honey garlic, your choice. It's your pasta. So, safety first, we gotta get some gloves on. Alright, what I like to do is just take out all the sausages and just slice them open, like so. Alright, then from here, just kind of peel back the casing, like so. And just break it up. Rinse, and we're finished preparing the sausage. As you can see, just pulled it out of the casing and just kind of mushed it up a little bit. Just put that aside and let's move on to the next preparation. The grape tomatoes. Very easy. What I like to do is just cut it in half. And yeah, just toss them in. I like a little bit of a bite size tomato. So the reason why we chop it up too is to kind of let out the juices to create more of a sauce. So just a simple cut in half like so. So chop them all up. Next, we gotta prepare the garlic. I'm gonna put in 4 cloves. I base it on how much tomatoes and sausage I have available. It's up to you. The more you put, the more garlic you're gonna taste. Less you put, less you're gonna taste. How do we prepare fresh garlic? That's a good question. Well, I like to put my garlic down on a cutting surface, put the blade on top, and give it a nice little crush. Then you just remove all the skin, very easy, like so. Now that we got everything prepared, just want to show you the chopped garlic or minced garlic, like so. However you chop it up will be fine. I believe in you and you're going to do a good job. So this is what I did. Now that we have everything prepared, spinach, the wine, this garlic, the sausages pulled out of their casing, and the halved tomatoes. That's all we need. All right, before we get into cooking, I just want to take a moment to thank all you guys for watching the videos. And if you can, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Any kind of feedback, more than welcome. Appreciate all the support. Now we're at the cooking part. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cook up the meat. Okay, we wanna get out all the juices, all the oil fat. We want to get that out so we can start flavoring everything else. So heat up your pan, get it nice and hot, and let's start scooping this in. Don't forget to chop it up while it's in there. So now that we got the sausage nice and brown and cooked, you slowly see the oils coming out. Now what we're going to do for the next step, we're going to cook the garlic. Now garlic cooks fast. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a little circle in the middle, turn off the heat, take the pan off, and throw in the garlic for like 30 seconds. Just let it cook a little bit. After 30 seconds, we're going to quickly throw in the tomatoes. Cool the garlic back down so it doesn't keep cooking. Alright, now we're at the second last step, which is to add some of the wine. We're going to want to add about 1/3 of a cup. You don't want to add too much, otherwise the flavor will overpower all these beautiful flavors already in this dish. Bada boom, bada bing. Now we're going to want to leave it open. Let the alcohol leave and let all the flavor stay. Finally, we're going to want to cover this and let it simmer for about half an hour. So we're going to put that on the timer. Occasionally, every now and then, you want to mix it up, make sure the flavors continue fold together. You want to make sure it all comes together to taste amazing. Now, you can't have pasta without the pasta. So we've got to fill this bad boy up with water, probably about 2/3 of the way. Add some salt, throw it on the stove and let it start boiling. So now that you've decided your pasta is ready, you're going to want to turn it off, pull it off the stove, a hot spot. Get yourself a strainer. You dump all the pasta into the strainer, and then you're going to throw it back into the pot. Throw in some olive oil, mix it up, and you're good to go. And there you have it. It's actually pretty good. Thank you to the crowd, thank you live audience. Few notes, I would say I would add some chili flakes. Wasn't as spicy as I thought it was gonna be. So if you're a fan of spice, maybe add some chili flakes just before you put it to simmer. Well, thank you for watching. It's your boy Matt Dalgado. Hope you learned something new. Stay tuned for the next one.